Guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted TradingView account. So first you just need to open your TradingView application on your device. Then you just need to tap on the three horizontal line button at the bottom right corner, where you will find this sign in option here. So that's mean you have no account right now, so tap on sign in here. Now you can just use the account that you have used or associated with your deleted account. It could be the Google account or Facebook account or Twitter, or it could be LinkedIn or Yahoo or your Apple account. Or if you have created that account with your custom email and custom password, then you can go with this email option here. So I have just created my deleted account with my Google account. Now tap on Google and select the Google account that you have associated with that account. So tap on it, and from here you can see I have just got back my account here. This is my account. So in the watch list here, you can just go to the settings here by this three horizontal line button. There is the settings. Now from here you can find that it has just recovered, or sometimes it asks for cancel deletion. It will prompt like cancel deletion here, the button cancel deletion. So if it's show up like cancel deletion option here, you can just tap on that cancel deletion account and it will just cancel the deletion process, or you can get that message prompted on the top side of your watch list section or on your account section. So that's how you can just do it. I have just deleted my this account few minutes ago. That's why it's not showing that message here. So if you have deleted it 15 days ago, 10 days ago, or 5 days ago, then you can get that message and option which can allow you to cancel the deletion process for your TradingView account. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.